Embarking on woodworking projects can be a rewarding endeavor, particularly when the focus is on creating items that are both sellable and enhance home decor. The efficiency of such woodworking projects lies in their ability to combine creativity with practical functionality. By exploring a variety of project ideas, woodworkers can tap into diverse markets while also beautifying their living spaces. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of random woodworking projects ideas for home decor and sellable. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. The appeal of woodworking projects is multifaceted. One of the primary advantages is the ability to create unique, handcrafted items that stand out in a market saturated with mass-produced goods. This uniqueness not only attracts buyers, but also allows woodworkers to infuse their personal style into each creation. Whether it's a beautifully crafted shelf or an intricately designed piece of furniture, the craftsmanship involved in woodworking elevates the aesthetic quality of home decor. For beginners and seasoned woodworkers alike, one effective approach is to start with items that serve dual purposes. For instance, consider creating a decorative yet functional item like a wooden bench with built-in storage. This type of project not only provides a place to sit, but also offers a solution for clutter management, making it appealing to potential buyers. The efficiency of such projects comes from their ability to fulfill multiple needs, thus enhancing their marketability. Moreover, the versatility of wood as a material allows for a wide range of project ideas. Woodworkers can experiment with different types of wood, finishes, and techniques, leading to a plethora of creative options. A simple wooden planter box, for example, can be designed for both indoor and outdoor use, catering to gardening enthusiasts looking for stylish ways to display their plants. By considering the potential applications of each project, woodworkers can create items that resonate with a broader audience. The importance of seasonal trends cannot be understated in woodworking. For instance, during the holiday season, items such as decorative wooden ornaments or custom gift boxes become particularly sought after. By aligning projects with seasonal demands, woodworkers can maximize their sales opportunities. A well-crafted wooden advent calendar, for example, not only serves as a festive decoration but also as a cherished family tradition, appealing to buyers looking for unique and lasting holiday items. In addition to seasonal products, custom woodworking presents another avenue for profitability. Many consumers are drawn to personalized items, whether it be custom signs, cutting boards, or furniture pieces tailored to specific dimensions. The efficiency of custom projects lies in the ability to create items that meet individual preferences, thereby commanding higher prices. Woodworkers can market their skills in personalization, offering clients the opportunity to have unique pieces that reflect their tastes and needs. The process of creating sellable woodworking projects also encourages continuous learning and skill development. As woodworkers take on various projects, they become more adept at using different tools and techniques. This experience not only enhances their craftsmanship, but also allows them to tackle increasingly complex designs. For instance, after mastering the basics of building simple shelves, a woodworker might progress to creating intricate wall art featuring geometric patterns. This evolution not only expands their portfolio, but also increases their appeal in the market. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Furthermore, the emotional connection that handcrafted items foster plays a significant role in their marketability. Consumers are increasingly seeking products that tell a story or evoke a sense of nostalgia. Items that incorporate reclaimed wood or have a rustic finish can resonate deeply with buyers looking for authenticity in their home decor. By sharing the story behind each project, such as the source of the wood or the inspiration for the design, woodworkers can create a narrative that enhances the value of their products. The efficiency of woodworking projects also extends to the production process itself. By organizing a dedicated workspace and establishing a streamlined workflow, woodworkers can significantly increase their output. For example, setting up an assembly line for certain projects, such as wooden coasters or picture frames, allows for faster production without sacrificing quality. This approach not only saves time but also enables woodworkers to fulfill larger orders, making them more competitive in the market. Additionally, integrating modern technology into woodworking can enhance efficiency and creativity. Tools such as CNC machines or laser cutters allow for precision and the ability to create intricate designs that may be challenging to achieve by hand. This technological integration can open new avenues for creativity, allowing woodworkers to produce unique pieces that appeal to a design-conscious audience. The ability to offer both traditional craftsmanship and modern techniques can set a woodworker apart in a crowded marketplace. Networking within the woodworking community can also contribute to the success of sellable projects. Engaging with local groups or online forums provides woodworkers with valuable insights, tips, and inspiration. Collaborating with fellow artisans can lead to joint projects or cross-promotional opportunities, expanding reach and increasing visibility. Participating in local craft fairs or markets allows woodworkers to showcase their products in person, fostering connections with potential customers and building a loyal following. Moreover, the rise of social media has transformed the way woodworkers market their products. Platforms like Instagram and Pinterest are perfect for sharing visually appealing images of completed projects, attracting followers who appreciate craftsmanship and design. By documenting the creation process, woodworkers can engage their audience and build a narrative around their work. This not only promotes individual projects, but also establishes a personal brand that resonates with consumers seeking authenticity and connection. As woodworkers explore various project ideas, they should also consider the potential for creating themed collections. A cohesive set of items, such as a matching set of kitchen utensils or a collection of decorative shelves, can enhance the overall appeal and encourage customers to purchase multiple pieces. This approach not only increases sales but also reinforces the woodworker's brand identity, showcasing their versatility and creativity. In the efficiency of random woodworking projects lies in the ability to create sellable items that enhance home decor while reflecting personal style and craftsmanship. By focusing on versatile designs, seasonal trends, and custom opportunities, woodworkers can tap into diverse markets while continuously developing their skills. The emotional connection that handcrafted items foster, coupled with strategic marketing efforts, contributes to the overall success of woodworking endeavors. As woodworkers embrace creativity and efficiency, they not only create beautiful pieces for homes, but also carve out a fulfilling and profitable niche in the world of woodworking. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked random woodworking projects ideas for home decor and sellable. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.